yang kaseng ba kani ke blok kelade bandon no kapo jong kamau tiro nang ba kan yarap lang ya kineki isnong kiba jengai bertunjuk ru ke basa kineki time border tam kiba jengai nak blok very ni
ni penpau bakal ade ka kapor kepala DE high time bangila soban nida tertam sai ka blok ka jingke ha bayade bakane kalong kadau ba kibabul bisnang jemi hadu menta kidon bisnang kiba jengai hadu kumba sispa kilometer ru
Away ka ng rim bangyang talong Lada tak onra ya C&RD blok umur kadai ke cuma toy bubun jeng ipan sanctioning nama kumbalong menta iba counseling
problem facing by people in constituency because of the long distance, especially the village border area where the distance is not less than 80 kilometers to counseling C&RD block. I, on behalf of the people of Mawhati constituency, I request Honorable Minister in charge C&RD for creation of new C&RD block in my constituency.
And this proposal was put in. I'm happy to inform you as well as the people of Mawhati constituency that in principle I have accepted that proposal, and we are going to start the process of a sanction for a new C&RD block in Mawhati.
Magkaway ka bagkam kabangang haban tan nyokor it kadi katimat kajing kwa kajing anglo jong ipat ba jong constituency bandan no la kajong community and rural development landai ka C&RD block Mawhati.
Hadin lagi podli kisnam jong kajing angnot bar kajing kimi lenti jong kipat ba jong ka Mawhati constituency ban yo no la kajong katanat rekam C&RD block menta ka kenti kalawan urlong kaba lesi kani kadai da kajing treshitom bar kajing lan ladi jong nomi khman uba menta uba Charles Marngar kumu MLA jong ka Mawhati constituency. Kumban syukro hangni kamat jinggawa penyo ikatanat C&RD block ha Mawhati kadai ka bala judawa na kapor Shakinong Bikman kiba menshwa bat kumjo ka sorkar nadu ki kunhun sang bhalang kinong ilam shnong lengba ka senjuk kirang ba shnong bat kumjo ki ba jong ka Mawhati constituency. Lawan ban pli yakani ka Mawhati blog do menteri ka sorkar jelau kontrat konggal sangma ha ka jingdon lang menteri badai kmi ikatanat C&RD u 80 mandal kiwe ki riu pakman kiba Kynthoh u MLA ko umsning constituency Dr. Celestin Lingdo, uba dan bok kendain MLA Barim jong Mawhati constituency, u Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy District, u Abhilash Baranwal IAS, ki officer nakatanat boper, kamtam, ki ba nakatanat C&RD block ha Riboy, ki nongyelam shnong, lembat ki paiba jong Mawhati constituency, ki balakot shiki hajar ngun, na ki shnong boper, napoy ban sakilang hakane kasengi. Habakren hakane kasengi nakaliang menteri rangba kejelau kontrat konggal sangma ulaptha yu menteri badai kmi ikatanat u 80 mandal bo unpen mang tengkano hapo ki kendiat tayo banwan nagabenta bansnai ka yeng building jonggane katanan barulo ongru balamda kamdei naga jingtre shitom badlan ladi jungnong mikmat kathain ba Charles Marngar kane ka jing angnot jungi paiba kanampat urlong tat adu menta. Kadwa nakaliang ba Charles Marngar loong ki egi baule lani rai kadi nagabenta ban penurlong ika jing angnot bat ki jing kmi lenti jong ki paiba constituency jen ladau dangdan hakajo ka parti ka Mawhati ka namyo kamtam ban yo ika C&RD blong loong ru ki ba kran Beiñ ki mat ye Beiñ lada Shah Kynthoh ka C&RD blok ka namurlong hadu menta.
Ya jingyo jongi ya ka blok ka batman kadai ko waipat ka lanang na ka chapter ka batman jong ka Mawhati constituency hadin san po arslan kabangyo ya ka jela ka jongi mentang yo ya C&RD block hangne Mawhati kumu MLA jompi berpelajit yang awak berpenjang I have my responsibility Nadal kecil kecil. Lada kepercayai kekeren lamsanya. Sisian mengasimnya kecil kecil. Menghabannya cekmat. Nak mendapat apa? Jangan konsentrasi. Ngai kubrai UCM nak minta. Kecil simkia kecil om tang yang ni C&RD blok pai babi. San ku Khlem kejelangi ladap. Irandang kumaprat naik li kisnang habordan di pempat school building. Ngalai ahing jam ing omster. Lei. Bat mentah kita di sekolah jangan orang. Semua banai kumlei. Ia chief minister. Mulai rap kepang jadi konsumsi. Kalau mengenai penjualan berkesokan, relatif lupa. Bagi babon keren, tapi Kynthoh ya. Ngan sesak keren bangan sesak Kynthoh. Henry ngan sacrifice. Ngan lemnya lebih. Ngan rai ramba. Penjualan berparti berkesokan. Nama kesusu laban adon. Hakajuk kejagaan, Mawhati jengi dan dalam cinta. Lada baca semangat umsakran, nyimpan yo ika C&RD blok mendat sini. Lada baca semangat umsakran, umpat yo ini disuruh bagi yo. Ijat benru lilainya, lada hidup pau baca, lada hidup pau. Siapa nak sulai kan osin haborna? Kecingkeli kalau ipara bay perta ijai problem. Khlem yo sinis kolbu lebih. Tak kebukuran. Kepor badan tray bagi doktor di lapang. Isi omnya don't miss to say thank you. Tak kawai pat ketingkian kawai jom. Kau your blessing. Wat chocolate ban au kublai, bat miau ni bicing tu. Bicing songo kalau yang pala. Lagi ni sini. Tang ini songo. Ya unu chief minister jom. Bicing wan jom ni keblok ngai kelong bicing tu ya paro. Hantam ni pinreu tu lagi senang. Lalu na ampreng amjong usiang teker. Hadu ha umsau halai po dengan. Isnong nanti nak mawrut. Nasok po na insau na umsunan. Na latara. Reu tulis senang, sangat saya ikut jengkelku. Mensuara pensentimen nilai sudah muslim. Sispa kilometer na ampreng na amjam, mentah usaha.
I take this opportunity to thank and congratulate my friend Ba Charles, your local MLA, your leader, who has made this day a possibility, whose vision, dedication and commitment to his people has made this C&RD block something that was being there for a very long time, being demanded by people and leaders for many, many years. But it has been possible because of the dedication, commitment, hard work of your MLA, your leader, Ba Charles. He deserves a round of applause. I urge all of you, let's give him a round of applause, as it is his hard work that has made this day possible. So congratulations, Ba Charles, and thank you for your commitment to the people and to the state at large. Umsling block was so big. As I said, it takes hours sometimes for people to come. And therefore, keeping that aspect in mind, even the pressure that was there under Umsling block for the officials to work, to cover the area, affected the kind of quality of service that we could provide at the grassroots level. And hence, as correctly mentioned by the Honourable Minister, that this will not only help the people of Mawhati constituency, but will also ensure that the overall services within the Umsning block is also improved. And the infrastructure was never improved. It is this NPP-led government that decided that we must provide new infrastructure to all block offices. It has never happened before. First time it happened. And right now the construction is going on for all the blocks. Let me assure our MLA and all of you, and I would like to request our Honorable Minister that we should immediately sanction within the next few weeks. We should sanction the new building also for the Mawhati block so that work can start immediately. We have given to all the blocks, and as correctly mentioned by the Honorable Minister, this is the youngest child, so maybe the youngest child will get the most attention also. So we will ensure that the block office building also is done at the earliest. I would want that within a matter of weeks, keeping in mind the election code of conduct and other issues, whatever is there, that the block building should be sanctioned at the earliest.